Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pasta salad with black-eyed beans, vegan sausage and roasted pepper. Of course, you can make this recipe with your favorite sausages and use any other variety of beans. So, to begin with, preheat the oven. After washing the vegetables, thinly slice the spring onions, chop a handful of parsley and prepare the mushrooms. Leave the small baby mushrooms whole and halve the bigger ones. Then, thinly slice 2 garlic cloves. Cut the tomatoes in half. And deseed and cut the pepper into quarters. Now, melt the vegetable butter in a frying pan and fry the garlic for about half a minute. Add the mushrooms and sauté on medium-high heat for a few minutes. Add seasoning and stir frequently for about 4 or 5 minutes until tender and slightly brown. Remove from the heat and set the pan aside. If your chosen sausage cook in the oven, you can put them alongside the peppers in the same roasting tin. Rub the pepper slices with a little oil and place them skin side up in a roasting tin. Cook the peppers for about 30 minutes and the sausages according to the pack instructions. In the meantime, bring a pan of water to the boil and cook the pasta following the pack instructions. Drain and return the pasta to the pan. Stir in the mushrooms, black-eyed beans, already drained and rinsed, and some seasoning. Drizzle with some olive oil. Stir and heat for a few more seconds and then set aside. When the pepper and sausages are done, transfer to a plate to cool. Once cooled, remove the pepper skin and cut each slice into small bits. And slice the sausage into 9 or 10 pieces. To make the dressing, combine 1½ tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and seasoning in a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and whisk again until smooth and slightly thick. Now that all the ingredients are cooked and ready, combine everything well in a large serving bowl. Add the pasta, sausage, pepper, tomatoes, spring onions and parsley. Pour the dressing and stir well. Taste, adjust seasoning if necessary, and stir once more. And that's it for today. You can find the full recipe on the video details below. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.